Did you know you can build impressive strength, muscle endurance, and even burn fat, all without lifting a single weight or doing endless repetitions? There's a faster, smarter way to train that most people completely overlook. And if you're struggling with consistency, I'll also share 6 pro hacks at the end of this video that will help you stay committed and get results. This isn't just about working out, it's about unlocking a hidden technique that top athletes and military professionals swear by. If you're ready to transform your body without needing a gym, weights, or even much space, then stick around. Let's dive into the 5 most powerful isometric exercises that will take your strength and endurance to a whole new level. 1. Wall sit, the ultimate leg and core builder. At first glance, the wall sit looks deceptively simple. Just lean against a wall and hold a sitting position, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. This exercise puts your legs, core, and lower back under constant tension, without a break. Why the wall sit is so powerful. Unlike exercises where you get rest between reps, the wall sit forces your muscles to work non-stop, building strength faster than many traditional exercises. Here's what happens when you hold this position. 1. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves stay under continuous tension, rapidly improving strength and endurance. 2. Your core and lower back get engaged, helping with balance, posture, and injury prevention. 3. Your knees get stronger by increasing stability, reducing the risk of injuries. One reason why athletes use it for rehabilitation. 4. You develop mental toughness by pushing through discomfort, strengthening not just your body but also your mind. How to perform the perfect wall sit. 1. Stand with your back against a wall, feet hip-width apart. 2. Step forward slightly, keeping your knees over your ankles. 3. Slide down until your knees form a 90-degree angle and your thighs are parallel to the ground. 4. Press your lower back and shoulders against the wall, keeping your core tight. 5. Hold this position while breathing deeply. 5. Your legs will burn, but push through. 6. Beginners should aim for 30 seconds and gradually increase over time. Try adding wall sits to your daily routine. You'll be amazed at how quickly your strength improves. 2. Plank, the king of core strength. You've probably heard of planks before. But do you know why they are considered one of the most effective exercises for overall strength and endurance? Unlike crunches, which only target a small part of your abs, the plank engages your entire core, from deep stabilizing muscles to your obliques and lower back. Why you should be doing planks. 1. Total core activation. Planks strengthen the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, the muscles responsible for a tight, strong midsection. 2. Improves posture and reduces back pain. A strong core prevents slouching and protects your lower back from strain. 3. Full body strength. Planks engage your shoulders, chest, arms, glutes, and legs, making them a complete body strengthening move. 4. Mental toughness. Holding a plank challenges your discipline, forcing you to fight through discomfort and build resilience. How to perform the perfect plank. 1. Get into a forearm plank position with elbows directly under your shoulders. 2. Extend your legs behind you, balancing on your toes. 3. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Don't let your hips sag or rise. 4. Engage your core, glutes, and legs to maintain stability. 5. Hold the position, breathing deeply, for as long as you can. Beginners can start with 30-second holds, gradually building up to 1 minute or longer. The longer you hold, the stronger you get. 3. Squat hold, the ultimate leg and fat-burning exercise. Ever tried holding a squat for more than a few seconds? It feels like your legs are on fire, right? That's because squat holds force your muscles to stay under constant tension, making them work harder and grow stronger. What makes squat holds so effective? 1. Strengthens your entire lower body. Works your quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes all at once. 2. Engages your core. Your abs must stay tight to maintain balance. 3. Increases muscle endurance. Forces your legs to resist fatigue, helping in sports and daily activities. 4. Burns fat and boosts metabolism. The constant tension increases your heart rate and fires up calorie burning, perfect for fat loss. How to perform the perfect squat hold. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. 2. Lower yourself into a squat position, keeping your knees behind your toes. 3. Hold at the lowest position possible, keeping your chest up and core engaged. 4. Breathe steadily and focus on keeping your form. 5. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then rise back up. Squat holds train your muscles to resist fatigue, helping you last longer in any physical activity, from sports to everyday tasks. 4. Push-up hold. The full body strengthener push-ups are already great, but holding a push-up position takes things to another level. It builds stability, endurance, and upper body strength like no other. Why push-up holds are so powerful. 1. Strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Your muscles stay under tension, forcing them to adapt. 2. Improves core stability. Your abs and lower back have to work hard to keep your body straight. 3. Boosts mental toughness. Holding the position teaches you to fight through discomfort. 4. Burns calories and sculpts your body. Engaging multiple muscle groups helps burn fat and define muscles. How to perform a push-up hold. 1. Start in a high plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulders. 2. Lower yourself halfway down, stopping just before your chest touches the ground. 3. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, and hold the position. 4. Engage your core and glutes, don't let your hips sag. 5. Hold for as long as you can, then slowly push back up. This is a brutal but effective way to increase strength without any equipment. 5. Glute Bridge Hold. The secret to stronger glutes and lower back. Sitting all day weakens your glutes and lower back, leading to poor posture and back pain. The Glute Bridge Hold is the perfect fix. Why glute bridges are a must-do. 1. Strengthens the glutes, hamstrings, and core, essential for hip stability and lower back health. 2. Improves posture and reduces back pain. A strong posterior chain supports your spine. 3. Activates muscles that sitting weakens, perfect for office workers. How to perform a glute bridge hold. 1. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. 2. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. 3. Squeeze your glutes and core, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. 4. Hold the position, focusing on keeping your hips stable. 5. Lower back down slowly after 30 seconds to a minute. This simple move can transform your lower body strength in no time. These 5 isometric exercises will help you build strength, endurance, and burn fat, without needing a gym or equipment. Want to stay consistent? Use the 6 pro hacks I mentioned earlier. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful fitness tips. Now, let me know, which of these exercises will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.